In front of me is Redmi A5, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now you need to tap on Open under Google here. Select Google Password Manager. Tap on Passwords at the bottom left corner and then hit Add Password at the top. Now input all of those informations. Over here you can input any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some notes. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!